Hi, we're Team Inheritable. I'm Omar.
I'm Zeeler. I'm Paul.
And we used WeaveChain and Base Protocol to create Web3 wills for secure decentralized inheritance. So our stack uses WeaveChain to expose security functions with simple API calls, like building verifiable Merkle trees of claims, creating quantum-resistant dilithium signatures, managing the smart contracts used for anchoring the base, and establishing a decentralized oracle of death, all while maintaining GDPR compliance. So the first step here is actually creating that will. So our interface lets estates define a set of inheritance claims, which we put into a Merkle tree. And this lets inheritors verify that their individual claims are part of a will without revealing the whole thing. Now we anchor the roots of those trees to base to establish immutability guarantees. And then we used quantum-resistant dilithium signatures to prevent spoofing even in a quantum computing world. Next, we need to validate death. So traditionally, inheritance is managed by a centralized party like a lawyer who declares when I'm dead and gives away my assets. Instead, we name witness wallets to act as a decentralized oracle of death. They add their signatures to another smart contract on base, and consensus that I'm dead unlocks the will. And the last piece is actually collecting inheritance. So inheritors make calls to the WeaveChain node to seek claims associated with their wallets, and our patterns mean that everything is still GDPR compliant. Now, there's only 3 of us because we killed our 4th teammate for testing purposes. So here, you should be able to go and see. Yep, this is his inheritance with his claims and witnesses. And I was happy to declare that he was dead. And then Zeeler over here was able to go and pull down his claims, as well as verify that they were part of the tree. So for next steps, we are already working to be the infrastructure for Aerify to do this, because there's more to the business than just infrastructure. We want triggered release mechanisms for crypto assets upon death, though we design our system to work for any asset, crypto or non-crypto. We also wanted to enable percentage-based claims. A notification engine would have been sweet. And finally, Paul made a beautiful comprehensive UI prototype that fell victim to the hackathon horse. Thanks. ETHDenver rocks, Base rocks, WeaveChain rocks, and we're thrilled to be here.
So wait, do I want my people to know what they're getting?
So this is the point of unlocking the will. Only at that moment where I'm dead can somebody actually understand what their part of the will was.
Oh, OK. They only just know that they have a claim.
That's right.
OK, got it. And why did you choose the witnesses over the typical dead man switch? You don't like dead man switch?
Yeah, I think Bequest Finance is doing the dead man switch, but it's kind of annoying. Like, I want to go and set my estate and forget it, not have to go and log in every 365 days to say I'm alive. Granted, this is sort of like, is consensus actually a good thing? There is a chance of collusion that my witnesses would cheat and try to steal my assets while I'm alive, but choose smart witnesses.
Indeed.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you to everyone in the infrastructure track.